Today's featured car of the day is a 1965 Buick Riviera Gran Sport with dual quads and the Super Wildcat 425 cubic inch engine with 360 horsepower and 465 foot-pounds of torque. Back when you had your gentleman's muscle cars back in the mid-60s, and this guy was definitely one of them. This was Buick's entry into the fray. And this one, I just found the footage. Unfortunately, I lost the video and my pictures, but I just found the video and a couple of pictures. And I actually filmed this back in 2020. And this will give you an idea of how the collector car market is, too, because this car sold for $41,500, which, if you look at today's market, you'll see that that was a heck of a deal. The owner's comments were all original condition, new AC installed, rebuilt transmission with warranty, all leaks top end done, tune-up, carbs rebuilt, over $15,000 spent on work done, have all receipts, new battery, complete tune-up, only one previous owner, I am the second owner, and it had 64,408 original miles on it. He had his little banner sign here, which I'll have pictures of. And it shows that in February of 16, a 65 Riviera GS Gran Sport sold for $121,000 in Scottsdale, doubling the pre-auction estimate. And it is estimated that this car will be worth $125,000 to $175,000 in the next 5 to 15 years, which makes it a great investment. And that's truth right there, because that's what happened. And unfortunately, he couldn't keep the car and wait to sell it then, because he would have tripled his money. Back in 1965, Buick built 34,586 Rivieras, and only 3,354 were Gran Sports. It's estimated that only 400 to 600 Gran Sports still exist. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.